All right, number 7, here we're going to simplify by adding the polynomial. Here we're adding it. All right, when you add the polynomials, you want to add them by like terms. I like to use the strategy of drawing different shapes. So here the degree 2 is going to be represented by this blue circle. So 4x squared plus x squared becomes 5x squared. Then I have the negative 2x and the 3x. Okay, that goes into this red square box. Negative 2x and 3x becomes a 1x. And then our constant, which is, I'm going to make it a green triangle. Negative positive 8 minus 2 becomes 6. So my final answer would be 5x squared. That's a weird looking 5. 5x squared plus x plus 6. So there you go. That is how you add the polynomial. Next, here, let's repeat the same process. Right? Our x squared is going to be our blue circle. 4x squared plus 2x squared becomes 6x squared. Then we have our square red. That is our degree 1 term. Negative 2x plus 2x becomes 0x. Then we have our green triangle for our constant. 8 plus negative 5 is a positive 3. So the answer is 6x squared. This is 0x. We don't really write it. So then we just write plus 3. We don't really write the 0x. So there you go. That is how you add polynomials.